Okay, look how cool this street is. We're gonna be filming this. Right over there is Grand Lisboa, and just to give you a little context, we're over by this place called Ponte 16. I'll show you all about it in a minute. But we're gonna be walking over that little tunnel right there. So stay tuned. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is called Ponte 16. That giant ball right there, that's kind of interesting. But this is not my goal for this particular film. My goal is going to be this, going over this little thing right here. So we're going to check that out. Got a fruit and juice shop. Right there is Grand Lisboa. So if you go down that street, this is where the ships used to come in historically. So years ago you'd come over at that spot. Hello. It's Chinese food. Let's see, Ponte 48, so I guess it's another spot where you'd come in for okay. So anyways, we're gonna be exploring this right here, and we're gonna go over and film some of that at that space. It's kind of interesting. Like, check out how cool these buildings look. It's like, it looks like it's abandoned. This is kind of a main street right there. We're gonna go explore that over there, and we're gonna go up the escalator if it works. It does work good. That means I can just kind of stand here and reflect. So years ago when people would come in, they'd come in and see this kind of stuff. So oh, look at that cool building like that blue building. Now we're up at the base, and you can see the water over here too. That's pretty cool. And there's Ponte 16. I have this on kind of a fast and a heavier view, zoom view, so let me change that. Okay, so now I kind of zoomed out a little bit, and then it'll give a kind of maybe it'll be a little easier to view. I'm not sure which one you like more. But this one, now we can see this in this kind of context, and this one I can also kind of view it in that context too. Look at this blue building, it's so cool. It goes all the way up like that. It's so strange and unusual, but I really like it a lot. It's so interesting. Okay. Huh. It's another commune. I saw another commune over there too. So it must be some kind of new thing that they're doing. Beautiful flowers. And we got this side too. Okay. Let's keep on going. It's pretty up here. It's our blue building up there. Huh. Look at this. You can look down on this restaurant too. This looks really cool. So this elevator goes up, and this one over here goes down. Let's just kind of see what else is around here. Here's our South 16. Okay. So we're gonna head on down. Huh. So this goes right into that restaurant. So if we wanted to eat in that restaurant, there's an entrance right here. That's kind of cool. Then we can look down on this street view too. I like this. When I first came to Macau the first time, I stayed in this area. So this was my memories of my first time. So I moved here 7 years ago, 2013, but I think I visited maybe 2012. This is the first time, I think. And now we're down on ground level. Looks like a pretty cool building right there too. Commune. So I saw another commune as well. Commune Macau. Might have to check that out online later. So they got some nice space. This is like another one I saw, which is pretty massive, which is on the other side. of the main street over here. And then this one, there's our Sofitel 16, Ponte 16, Sofitel Hotel. Chinese characters right here. And then once you get in here too, it's kind of cool, right? It's kind of cool. Soft drinks there. Let's keep on going down. Then now we're kind of in this main street, traditionally the main street a long time ago. There's a hotel. First time I visited, there's like girls that were sitting here, and I think there's like legalized prostitution in Macau, so there's a lot of like hotels in this area that would always have girls sitting in the windows. I haven't really seen that anymore. I don't know if that changed or what it was all about exactly. But I remember staying in a hotel near here, which has it's called Masters, which is over there, and there's a sauna over there that's kind of, saunas are pretty famous in Macau for like that giant Buddha. That's where we came down from earlier. Opium House, Casa de Opium. Never been able to find that opium house, but there's a sign for it. And there's the Masters Hotel. That's where I stayed the first time I came to Macau. The lighting is kind of cool right now. Definitely a great time to film. So that's where we just came from, right there. Because the lighting is so cool, we'll just keep filming a little bit more. So yeah, this is kind of a main street with, so they're closing some of the shops now. Anyways, I guess we should end it, as cool as the lighting is. And it is pretty cool. I'll show you Masters Hotel before we end it. So Masters Hotel is where I first stayed, so I would walk down that main street all the time and go to Senado Square and just kind of explore in this neighborhood. All kinds of cool stuff. I like the side streets and alleys the most around here. It's kind of cool too. Wow, it'd be amazing to have a balcony right there. Huh. Somebody does. Somebody lives there. Amazing little place. Okay. And there's the Masters Hotel, so I guess we'll end it right there. Or should we end it there? Anyways, we'll end it right here.